If you're trying to connect GetResponse to WordPress Elementor but don't want to waste time on outdated tutorials, stick around. I'll show you the fastest way to do it, plus a few things to watch out for. And at the end, I've got a better alternative that gives you more flexibility and an exclusive extended free trial, only through our link. So let's get right into it. First, log into your GetResponse account and go to Tools and GT, Integrations and AMP, API. Scroll down and find WordPress. Click Details, then Connect. If you haven't installed the GetResponse plugin on your WordPress site yet, do that now. It's free and makes integration way easier. Next, inside WordPress, go to Plugins and GT, add New, search for GetResponse, install, and activate it. Then, go to Settings and GT, GetResponse, login, and connect your account. Once done, your lists, forms, and automations will sync directly with WordPress. Now, for Elementor users, the direct integration with GetResponse is pretty limited. You'll need Elementor Pro to use their built-in form widget, which lets you send leads straight to GetResponse. But here's the issue: Elementor's native integration lacks customization options. You can only connect basic fields, and if you need conditional logic or type-based segmentation, you'll have to rely on third-party plugins or Zapier, which adds extra cost. If you're okay with a simple form, just drag an Elementor form widget onto your page, go to Actions after Submit, add GetResponse, and select your list. Enter your API key from GetResponse, found under Tools and GT, API, and that's it. Your leads will be added automatically. For more control, some people use Fluent Forms or WP Forms, which offer deeper GetResponse integrations without needing Elementor Pro. If you're running an advanced funnel, you'll likely outgrow Elementor's default options pretty quickly. And that's why I recommend checking out an alternative that gives you better form building and email automation without the restrictions. I've linked the best option below. It includes an extended free trial and some exclusive perks just for our viewers. Plus, I've added other alternatives in case GetResponse and Elementor don't fully meet your needs. Click the link in the description to get the best free trial deal, and let me know in the comments if you had any trouble with the setup.